Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Pasco and today we're going to take a look at a clay Paky Sharpy wash with a busted tilt lock. This particular unit has a busted tilt lock on both sides, so it won't lock in the 90-degree position. First, I'm going to remove the zoom and effects modules. In order to do this repair, I'll need to get all of the harnesses through the tilt tube. With the harnesses out of the way, I can remove the tilt stop plate. I'll also remove the screws that hold the head to the tilt tubes on both sides to free the chassis from the fixture. In order to remove the busted tilt sleeve, I need to get this snap ring off. There are special snap ring pliers made for removal and installation of these, but I didn't have a pair available when I was removing this one. So I just used a chisel for leverage with a normal set of pliers. It worked, but I definitely recommend the snap ring pliers. Here you can see the tilt sleeve with broken teeth versus a good one. My initial plan was to replace the busted tilt ring with one out of a Sharpy. However, I found that the holes did not line up, as the one from the Sharpy has 4 screws that hold it to the chassis. After drilling out the holes and attempting reinstallation, I found that it was just not going to work. So I went on to Light Parts and I ordered the correct sleeve. With the new sleeve in place, I get the correct set of snap ring pliers and replace the ring. Next, I'll reinstall the tilt stop plate, paying close attention to the orientation. With the plate installed, I can reattach the chassis. Next, I'll run the harnesses back through the sleeve and reconnect all of the bus connections. I had to unplug my bus connections from the pan tilt board, so I took a picture to ensure that I replaced them correctly. You can also see that the labels on the heat shrink detail the order from bottom to top. Next, I'll reinstall my modules. With the modules installed and my harnesses plugged in, I'll clean up my cables and power up the fixture. We made it through with no errors. So there you have it. Our fixture locks correctly and it's ready for our next show. Thanks for tuning in. Smash that like button and be sure to subscribe.